This 2021 Forest River Salem FSX 190 RT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler RV features front bath, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Salem FSX 190 RT is 4,438 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.